welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a set of faux locks. I've only done faux locks once and it came out okay. I can insert some pictures right here. But with those, they kept unraveling and I had to keep going back and forth to fix them. This time I'm gonna try to do so much better. As you can see, I have my hair detangled and in these little tramp Scottish braids. But yeah, I'm about to do my hair in the individuals. I'm not gonna record that part because I already know it's gonna take so long, so I'll come back when my hair is parted and braided. I'm done with my base, my parts. I'm gonna do a quick turnaround, show you a little bit. You know, I did them myself, so they're not all the same and they're not the straightest. That's all you get. But right now I'm gonna start doing them. This clip is low-key pointless because I'm gonna come back when I get towards the front so I could properly show you how I'm doing them. So fingers crossed they turn out nice. Anyway, hello, I'm back. Most of my head is done under this scarf. I only have this section right in the front left. I'm taking this opportunity to show you the hair that I'm using. Expressions, twisted up springy afro twist in color number 2. I usually use 1B, but the store, this hair was a hot commodity at the beauty supply. They was buying her up. It said creates butterfly locks and distress locks. I think I've been going for a distressed lock, more like a budding lock. I was trying to do kind of like a realistic lock, but it didn't go out that way. But I wanted it to look like budding, the budding stage. Anyway, also this is Outre Expression. It was $7.99. I got it for $7.99, and I've used one of these packs plus a bundle, so I just have to cut into one more bundle for these last couples. Anyway, let me take my scarf off and show you. I don't want to be too rough because I'm not sealing them with anything. I've just been palm rolling them, just living on faith, living on the wild side. So let's see. I'm nervous to show y'all. I tied it up with a little silky ribbon because I didn't want to damage any of them. They're so big for my head and I have a big head, but they're fresh, guys. Don't judge them. Don't judge them before I finish the last 3. It's exactly what I've been telling myself. But let me give you a little bit of a closer look at them. Let me pick out my favorite one first. None of them are my favorite. Okay, maybe this one. You see how it's like budding at the top? Maybe it is just a butterfly lock, but I feel like it's a little bit more distressed than that. Butterfly locks are kind of put together. Anyway, this is what they look like so far. Some of them I can't get nice though. I like when they have a little bit of curl at the end, but this one is just unraveling. These are hard to do. I bought nail glue to seal the ends, but I don't want to use it. They're basically butterfly locks, but a little bit worse. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do the last couple. Not really show you because I'm not about to tutorial. You see the results you get. No tutorial for y'all. But we'll grab some more hair and do some more. But I'm gonna time lapse it because I don't feel like explaining. Sorry.
So first I show you guys how I prep the hair. Each bundle has like, it comes in pieces. So I take one of those pieces, I split it in half and basically use 1.5 pieces for each part. And I always fluff out the ends before I put it in with the crochet hook. As you can see here, you always want to pull until one side is much shorter than the other. Hold on to that short piece with your braid and wrap the longest side around your braid. And as I go, I like to detangle the ends to make them fluffy, the fluffiest. I don't know why I do that. I guess in my mind, it'll blend in better with the hair and have a better grip. Anyway, when I get to the end, when I get to the length I want, I start wrapping back up the lock in the same direction that I just wrapped it in. So I'm wrapping them all away from my face. So in the end, I should still be wrapping away from my face, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that's what I did. That's what I'm doing. And singing in between. Yep, there you could see I loop it around my finger and bring it back up to wrap it in the same direction as I was before. And then this is it, how I'm showing you. It's very easy to take them down and fix them if you want. But at the same time, they will never, well, not in my experience anyway, they won't unravel like that unless you know, pull on it the way that I did. But yeah, I palm roll the ends, no glue, no nothing. I just left them raw. And then again, you see I'm fixing another one because I needed them to be cuter. I needed them to give more than what they were giving. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. There you go. Again, I'm showing you how I fluff the ends, how I do my little dancey dance. You see the difference? One is curly, one is fluffed out. Oh, I'm already on the last one. I wasn't even paying attention. But yeah, twist at the bottom, go back up the same way as you was wrapping before. There you go.
I don't know. I'm trying to like her. I'll let you guys see the back, maybe. I might edit this out though. Let's see. Oh, my back. How does it look back there? How does it look? Oh, my view is nice, but that's that mirror playing tricks on me. I hope it looks cute. Hey guys, Mariah from the future checking in. This is a faux lock update. They look so much better. Like, I went to Philly and that's why I did my hair, and the day I arrived there I still didn't like it, but I think the second day or the third day I loved them. Of course, some of them have been unraveling just a teeny bit, but they're pretty easy to fix. Like, as you've seen in the previous clip, whenever I want to fix one, I literally just pull it down, detangle it, basically detangle the ends and wrap it right back up. It'd be no problem. And I added a little bit of hair jewelry because it kind of just looked like clay hair, you know? I don't know why I said it like that. It kind of looked like clay hair. So I put some stuff in it so you could distinguish each. You know, they're still unraveling a little bit, but you guys know I wanted that budding look. So there's the budding, I guess. Aren't these charms so cute? Hold on. I got them from my local beauty supply. And I've never got to use them until now. Because I'm pretty sure these are the type of rings that you have to braid into your braids. You know what I mean? And I usually do braids. But these were thick enough to hold them. Yeah, and I did manage to get it into a half up, half down. Which, I suppose I'll take it out of the half up, half down to show y'all. But this has been my hair choice
because I don't know, I'm not a big fan of it all the way down. It doesn't really frame my face. What? Frame my face. But I'll show it to y'all anyway. Okay. So this is the hair down. It's a little moppy, a little messy, which is actually really what I wanted. That's why I didn't really use any gel, or I don't really do my edges every day with this style, because I wanted to give like earthy and natural things like that. Sorry, I readjusted. I'm using a single, I guess it's not a tripod, it's just a pod. It's a unipod. I don't know, but I already know it's shaking up in here. Anyway, let me give you a little look-see round. They're not all the same length because I'm not good at that unless it's braids, long braids. But this is what they look like. It's been probably almost a week. No, just about a week, yeah. Since I installed them. So yeah, this is what they look like. This is what the side part looks like. I think it looks a lot better now than it did before. But yeah, it was just a style that I needed to grow into, which a lot of styles that I do on myself are, because I'm not a stylist. I'm not a professional. I'm just a girl who wants her hair done. Anyway, thanks for joining in. Oh wait, I also wanted to give you some other pictures of me with makeup on, because the makeup always helps. The lashes always help. So here's some other pictures. Ding, 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 ding. Anyway, bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you enjoyed it. For more content, let me know down below, because I do my own hair. I'm my hairstylist. I only pay for hair. I bought 3 packs of hair for $7.99 each. So what is that, $24? Anyway, yeah, I do my own hair, so let me know if you want any more information. I don't know, after seeing this, if you would like any more information, considering how my hair turned out, but maybe it'll look good with like a better pair of lashes and my edges done. Anyway, my battery is dying, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, or not, I don't know. Thank you, bye.